Do you want to grow wealth like Warren Buffett? Welcome to Value Investing 101, the simplest way to build long-term wealth by buying great companies at bargain prices. Let's get started. Value investing is all about buying stocks for less than what they're really worth, like buying a 1000 rupee note for 500 rupees. I look for solid businesses that are temporarily undervalued by the market, and then I hold them until their true value is recognized. Markets are emotional. People panic sell good companies during bad news. Value investors like me take advantage of this fear. Remember Buffett's famous quote, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." If the company is strong, temporary price drops are opportunities, not risks. Here's a simple three-step method for beginners. First, strong business fundamentals. I look for companies with consistent profits, low debt, and a product people actually need. Second, intrinsic value versus market price. I use basic metrics like the PE ratio or the price-to-book ratio. If the stock price is much lower than its fair value, that's a good sign. Third, margin of safety. I always buy with a safety margin. If I think a stock is worth Rs1,000, I only buy if it's under Rs700 or Rs800. This way, I'm protected if my analysis is a little off. Patience is key. Value investing isn't day trading, it's long-term wealth building. I might hold a stock for 3, 5, or even 10 years before seeing big gains. I stay calm, ignore the daily price noise, and focus on business performance. Let's look at a quick example. Suppose company X is worth Rs500 per share based on earnings, but market panic pushes it to Rs300. If the fundamentals are strong, a value investor like me buys at Rs300 and waits. When the market corrects, I earn a big return. That's value investing in a nutshell. Start small, learn consistently, and think long-term. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with future investors.